Tips on how to get rid of snoring. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring, so why doesn't he do something about it? That song was written in the days before effective treatments for snoring, but today there is such a variety of options that it would be silly to just ignore your problem. Read on to find some tips to help you beat the snoring demon once and for all. In the 4 or 5 hours before you go to bed for the night, you should avoid consuming alcoholic beverages. Alcohol has a depressant effect on your body, which causes your muscles to become more relaxed. This relaxation affects your airways, which makes it difficult to breathe. Ultimately, this leads to snoring. If you would like to stop your snoring, have a look at the pillow configuration that you have on your bed. The higher your head, the less likely you are to snore. Ergo, it is best to either invest in a thicker pillow, or to consider sleeping on multiple pillows to give you the head leverage you need. Elevate your head while you sleep, to reduce snoring. A thick, firm pillow offers extra support for your head and neck. Alternatively, you can simply use extra pillows. This will keep your head more upright, which will increase your airflow, and can help reduce or prevent snoring. Try to avoid consuming alcohol right before bed. Alcohol does help you relax, the problem is drinking alcohol right before bed causes the muscles of your airway to relax too much. This over-relaxation causes snoring which you may not notice. But, people around you will definitely be disturbed. This video has laid out many simple, effective and affordable options for treating snoring which anyone can get access to. It can be as simple as losing weight or possibly having to buy a CPAP machine, but no matter what you may be able to find something which works for you if you try out these tips. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.